Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What's your full name?
My name is Matan Panjam.
What's your qualification?
I am studying in 9th standard.
Can you tell me something about your family?
There are 4 members in my family. My father name is Bhavik Bhai. He is a businessman. My mother name is Kiran Ben. She is a homemaker. I have one little brother. He is a very small and a cute boy.
Where do you live?
I live in Idar.
Can you tell me something about your hometown, Idar?
My hometown name is Idar. It is situated in Sabarkantha district. It is a historical place. It is also called a mountain city. There is a traffic problem in Idar because there is no bypass road.
Okay, what is your daily activity?
I get up early in the morning. I get ready. I go to LX classes. I go to school at 10 a.m. Then I return my home at 5 p.m. I go to play cricket. Then I return my home at 7 p.m. I complete my homework. I take a dinner. Then I go to sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you want to go foreign?
Yes, I want to go foreign because I can get a good education and I can earn lots of money.
Tell me about your hobbies.
My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books.
Can you tell me something about your best friend?
My best friend name is Parth. He is a very tall and strong boy. He is a very helpful to me. We play cricket every day. His father name is Dinesh Bhai. He works at petrol pump. His mother name is Josna Ben. She is a homemaker.
What is your future plan?
I want to become businessman.
Very good. All the best for your future.